Well, I'm Luca.
I'm Kiki. Hello.
The day that
Kiki.
I met you, the world had just spit me out.
You really believe in aliens?
On my way
Yes,
to the
I do, but I'm not one of those conspiracy nuts, alright?
Then you saw me for me.
Exactly how much do you know about aliens?
How much do you want to know? The universe is a big place.
Yeah.
But I was hoping you and me could be more than just friends.
Close your eyes, don't look down. Fall into me, and I'll catch you, darling. We'll dance in the street like nobody's watching.
We were just friends.
It's just you and me, and the song will repeat.
I miss you, Kiki. I miss hanging out with you. I miss joking around with you. And I still wish we could be more than just friends.
Me too.
From now till forever, I'm falling in love with you over and over again. Until I had met you, there's no sun in my sky. No mirrors for monsters and no love in sight. Then you walked down those stairs and I knew my heart wasn't mine. On the day that I met you, my whole world came alive. You said close your eyes, I got you now. Fall into me and I'll catch you, darling. We'll dance in the street like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song I'll repeat in my
I'm really sorry for what happened between us.
I really like you, Luca. I don't want to leave Lightning Point.
That's what you wanted. I'd give you my life. From now till forever, I'm falling in love with you.
Did you find me?
Luminans sometimes have the power to sense other people. Even across huge distances, we can feel their energy.
Like their aura.
Stronger than that. Their life force. Only people we have a life connection with. It might only be one other person in the whole universe.
This really is goodbye. I still can't believe this has happened.
And I'll catch you, darling. Let's dance in the streets like nobody's watching. It's just you
I'll never forget you.
and the song on repeat in our heads.